How to sound like a girl on Voicemod. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice into a girl using the Voicemod platform. So first things first, if you head straight in voicemod.com's official site, which is going to be this one, you're going to have to create an account first. It's totally free. But however, if you're going to be on a freebase account right here, you're going to be given out limited uses of filters or voice skins that you can use. You could also try to use this option here, which is their latest voices, which is going to be the voice mod tuna. So if you go here, you can actually see all these voices available for tuna. You're just gonna need to choose on a female voice like this one right here, or maybe this or this one. You can go ahead and listen to it first before you can officially use it on a specific type of streams on games that you want to have to use in this one. But just a additional information about using this for you to maximize the whole feature of voice mod, you can go ahead and purchase a subscription, which is going to be pro, so that there is no limit of using it. And that's it. That is how you sound like a girl on voice mod.